Okay, everybody, we're gonna do the explosion for the big MSP. Yes, we are ready. What we're gonna do, I'm just gonna bring it right here.
Be careful.
I'm gonna keep it right here.
Can we do it now?
See it, but we'll just bring it.
Ready?
No.
Get out of there. I got it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Holy smokes! It's soda! I don't know if you guys can see it, but
This is the Mentos.
yummy. Yummy. It's better without the Mentos. You guys should be good with it. Don't you have more on Mentos?
Yeah.
Don't put more in it, don't matter.
Let's try it again. Can we see it again? See if it does
Okay,
it.
can you guys see that?
Huh?
It should. We're gonna put it right where it just was, so and then you guys can stay right there.
Okay, give it to me. Okay, I don't think more is going to happen. Come here, give it to me. You're not eating any of these.
You don't deserve it.
Yes, I do.
Oh, would you ever do? Okay,
Seven.
we're gonna do it. This thing.
We're gonna do it even more.
The big explosion. It should go this way. If it doesn't,
That's soda, sissy.
I'm gonna show you guys what the soda looks like.
It's Coke Zero. They all know.
Well, it's Coke Zero, or soda. It's just a type of soda. No, Lux. This is where the computer is going.
Right, that's a lot.
Okay, guys. Right here. Put it right where it was.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or not.
Oh no, there's not enough soda. What is it doing?
Shake it. Right, shake it up. Let's shake it.
Oh,
Or not. Right, open it. And then.
That's it.
no!
Can we go buy some?
Lux, quit bouncing. I'm sorry, everyone. We did at least one explosion.
That was a pretty big explosion.
I didn't think we could get that big of a shot. Special guest, Slicky. No shout outs for today. That was it. Because of all the views we've been getting, and some comments, yes, and sometimes and some thumbs up. You guys gotta just comment, subscribe, and watch the channel. And that's what you gotta do to get that. But bye. Mwah.